Okay, got Lori's bike here putting it together. The directions are pretty unclear. No, they sent them, I just will use them. And it actually looks like the tools you get when you buy a new four-wheeler or something back in. Guess you still get tool sets. I ain't bought a new one for a while, but. So yeah, if you guys buy one of these, the directions ain't very good. I don't throw the video out yet. Haven't looked. They are a video on this bike that the company did, but it ain't much either. So. What is going on with that creepy thing? So, okay, next step's pedals. Got pedals. Left and right. That's how I knew left and right. L and R. So. I'm gonna try a crocodile rag first. I love these little rags though. That but yep, it is. That's what I thought. This would be a left-hand thread. Okay. Okay, the pedal. That's gonna hurt. Maybe not. So next, oh ouch. Kickstand's on, and little mono shock there. Oh, shoot. That didn't go very good. Okay, try that again. Let's see if we can get this back shock on there. This bike is not like real stable. I do know that. I don't know if I like any of this. Man, the thing not. Oh, it can't go down because I'm on that dummy. Dummy. Yeah. Right. I'll take it a little bit more easy this time. Yeah, the thing's just barely sitting on there, but cannot believe how tight that thing is. My gosh. Man, one more time. Why? Still ain't gonna make it. Man, that thing is just stay there. Okay, seats on. Going for the rear rack right now. And get the rear rack on, be close. That right there looks like where him go. Yeah, them actually little hubcaps. So, alright, yep, can't see. Alright, retreat mission. I just wouldn't hold my mouth right. Okay. I think Lori's in order baskets and these other things already. Okay, so this here, I need the fender bracket. Got the wrong one. Not sure how I got that, but I did. And I got one more of these suckers put together. This side over here looks pretty good, but that over here was a little weird. It might have been better going. All right, that's done. Now we got a wire somewhere. Right there. Go into, I'll just cut those. Yeah. if I can find me a wire tie, I'm gonna put a tie on that. All right, so that's about it. I hope I can get that. Now done tonight, I just don't put that strap in a different place and get it off that table. For tonight, that thing will be fine. Rock Brothers. Looks like a pretty nice bag. Yeah. Got another little zippy in there. That's what we need on the buggy. Oh, that thing unzips something. There it is. This little thing here to put stuff. Oh. Bag of goodies. Not sure what kind of goodies yet, but huh. So it looks like the liner down there comes out and zip it there. And pull that liner out and wash it. What do you think? Yeah, it looks like a nice bag. Whoops. All right, one down. Guys, buy one of these kind of bikes. Make this your first step. So that's the reason. Show it here, but yeah, front off the ground, back's on the ground. You can just tap this down. She is pretty stiff. But by yourself, with the front tire on there, it was really, really hard to get that thing go down. But that thing's so stiff in there, I don't know. I'll probably take it apart and freeze it. And I probably will after a while. Put something on it. This thing here what I had trouble trying to figure out yesterday. It's so, and I think what I determined, that little slot right there, put that directly facing forward at the center. I think that worked pretty good. But let's see if you can see that. You see that taper on that gooseneck? Got a taper to it. I don't know if I can hold the camera right. There's a taper to it. So if it's on there a little bit crooked at all, it wants to lean it like a camber left or right. So that's what I determined with that. That puts it pretty close to being straight. So this is the cap and ring to all that. So it goes on. That goes down over. Okay, now this goes on. Like that. So then you've got the gooseneck bolt with the two washers. And that's what I kept fighting yesterday. Lori's bike, because direction wasn't 100% that good. That's that. Let's see, but that little notch right there is what I was trying to line up with the center of all this. And that seemed to work pretty good. Okay, got both of them together. So, and this thing is, there's a power button. Yeah, oh yeah, got power. And here's the gears. Going up one gear, 2, 3, and here's the minus, neutral, and this is just for the trip and everything else it's got. So, and it's got 7 speeds over here too. So now I think that's cruise control right there. I think that's cruise control. And this is the lights. So there's the back light. And there were the front lights on. And the bottom one's horn. Pretty sad horn, but hey, guess it works. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up here and take this thing for a cruise here in a minute. So, okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, thumbs up, and hope to see you on the next one.